What's up, you guys? It's Steve here, and I'm going to be doing something that I normally don't like to do. As you guys know, when I provide you information, I like to provide the sources in the description down below so you know everything is factual. Well, this one is coming to you from the rumor mill, you guys, on social media. I have been trying my hardest to verify it, and I can't find it. So just a disclaimer, as I divulge this information, that we have a new date and arrival time that they're saying in social media rumor mill for the next unemployment tax refunds, you guys. So if you haven't gotten it yet and you're among the millions still waiting, check your tax transcripts after you watch this video, because we're hearing of the new wave, and they said that everybody was supposed to be getting it by the end of the summer. And you guys, that's this month. So everybody is supposed to be getting it in the month of September, you guys. So I'm going to be sharing with you what they're saying, the latest. I'm going to be diving into 2 articles, giving you some updates. But again, this wave that I'm sharing with you guys is coming from the rumor mill. So I just want to give a disclaimer on that. I normally like to provide all the sources and data and info, but I can't find this one. But if it's true, I just want to send the word out to you guys. Check your transcripts, because it could be on the way here, you guys. So we're going to be diving in. Also, stick around to the end. I'm going to be sharing with you how to check your transcripts, and also, if you don't get it by this month, what numbers to call, how to get on hold of the IRS, and make sure that you get that unemployment tax refund if you paid taxes on the first $10,200 of unemployment in the year 2020 that you received, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive right in. I'm going to get you caught up on the latest as of today, September 1st, 2021. But before we do, if you could do me a quick favor, just takes a second. If you like and appreciate these updates, don't forget to smash that like button. I would appreciate it. Helps out the channel a ton. Just takes a second. Thank you so much. Also, leave your comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on all this. And also, if you think that this is going to help out other people, be sure to share it out on social media platforms. Now, in addition to that, if this is your first time here, don't forget, hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell to come join the RAM fam, the viewing community, and stay up to date on everything that's going on with stimulus, unemployment, Congress, the economy, anything having to do with money. And if you got any specific questions that you want to send my way, or if you find the source for the information I'm going to be sharing with you today, shoot it to me in a DM on Instagram at SteveRam3, which is by far the best way to get a hold of me if you got any questions for me, you guys. But with that being said, let's dive into these articles, and I'm also going to share with you what we're hearing in the rumor mill on social media for the last and potentially the final wave of unemployment tax refunds. All right, you guys, so first up, link in the description below to this article that came out today. It's dated September 1st that says when to expect your unemployment tax refund and more. And it says if you file taxes before March, you may be getting a bigger refund soon, but the payment schedule is a bit sticky, and we'll explain. Now it says, did you file taxes before the American Rescue Plan was passed into law in March? If so, you could be eligible for a bigger refund than you expected, and here's why. The first $10,200 of your 2020 jobless benefits, or $20,400 for married couples filing jointly, is considered non-taxable income, you guys. That was a change in that American Rescue Plan. The IRS is supposed to issue refunds to taxpayers who pay taxes on these benefits automatically, so you don't have to do anything. They're going to take care of this for you after making an adjustment, and averaging $1,686. That's how much the average check is that's going out. Now, it could be more, it could be less, depending on your specific tax situation. But the payment schedule is a bit disorganized. The IRS hasn't disbursed any refunds for taxes overpaid in 2020 unemployment benefits in over a month, you guys. So right now they're saying that it's been over 30 days since anybody's gotten any of these, but the last batch totaled 1.5 million refunds. Now, millions of families are still waiting for this federal refund check, and it's unclear when the next batch of payments will be sent. While some have reported on social media that they have pending dates for the IRS tax transcripts, many other taxpayers say they haven't received any money or updates at all. Now, you guys, what I'm hearing on social media, like they're saying right here, is that the next wave is going to be on September 1st, today, you guys. And that actually lines up pretty well, which is why I decided, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and share this with you, because if it's actual, a lot of people might start seeing those pending payments today. And it makes sense, because usually the IRS likes to send these out pending on Wednesdays, and today's a Wednesday, you guys. So check your transcripts and let me know in the comments down below. Now, I want to dive into another article that's going to give us a little bit more information as well. Link in the description below. This came out last week. Says IRS unemployment refund update. Deposits and paper checks continue, quote, through the summer. What does that mean? And it says, with September approaching, taxpayers who have been waiting all summer for an elusive unemployment-related refund are getting more anxious. And it says, For the most part, the IRS is correcting returns automatically. You don't have to do anything. They're just going to send this to you, and they're issuing refunds accordingly. But that process is messy and cumbersome for the understaffed agency, which is probably why it has left so many people guessing. Now, the first payments were delivered in late May, with more batches continuing into June, July, and August, and the IRS has said that the process of reviewing and correcting tax returns, especially the more complex ones, will continue throughout the summer. Now, or rather, more specifically, it said that the process will continue through the end of the summer, but as of this week, it has not provided a more specific timeline. That end of summer timeline is likely causing increased anxiousness among eligible taxpayers who have yet to receive one of these payments. After all, Labor Day weekend, the unofficial end of summer, is only a week away. Based on a tenor of posts on social media and in group forums, many who have been waiting all summer have given up hope, you guys. Now, in that rumor mill, as I mentioned, we're hearing September 1st, which makes a lot of sense because they distribute on Wednesdays. But listen to this, reading on, the good news is summer 2021 doesn't actually end until September 22nd, the calendar date of the fall equinox, you guys. So essentially, what we could expect to see, hopefully, is that everybody that is supposed to get this will get it within the next 3 weeks, and maybe this first official wave of September will be starting today. Now, this particular news article said that they reached out to the IRS for more details on arrival times, and they said they'll update their post when they hear back, but at this time, they haven't heard. Now, I'm going to be jumping back to that article we looked at originally. Take a look here. It says, look at your IRS tax transcript for clues about your refund, you guys. So here are the steps I'm going to be sharing with you guys, and it also says an immediate way to see if the IRS has processed your refund and for how much is by viewing your tax records online, your tax transcripts, and you can also request a copy of your transcripts by mail or through the IRS automated phone service by calling, here's the number, 1-800-908-9946, you guys. And here are the steps. If you want to check your transcripts online, you're going to go to irs.gov, you're going to log into your account. If you don't have one, you're going to open one. Once you log in, you're going to see the account homepage, and you're going to click View My Tax Records. Step 3, you're going to click on Get Your Transcripts. Step 4, here you'll see a drop-down menu asking the reason that you need your transcripts, and you're going to select Federal Tax and leave Customer File Number field empty and click Go. Step number 5, the following page will show return transcripts, records of account transcripts, and wage and income transcripts for the last 4 years, and you're going to want to do 2020 account transcripts. And step number 6, this will open up a PDF of your transcripts, and you're going to focus on the transaction section. What you're looking for is an entry listed as refund issued, and it should have a date in late May or June, but now it's going to be in September if you're still waiting for it, you guys. Now, take a look at this. IRS Tax Transcript codes deciphered 971, 846, and 776. These are the ones you're going to want to look for. It says some taxpayers who have accessed their transcript reports seen different tax codes include 971 when a notice was issued, 846, the date and the amount of a refund, and 776, the amount of additional interest owed by the IRS. Others are seeing codes like 290, which is additional tax assessed, and the zero amount, since these codes could be issued in a variety of instances, including for stimulus checks and other tax refunds or adjustments. It's best to consult the IRS or tax professionals about your personal transcripts. So if you see those codes, that's what those particular ones are, you guys. And steps to take if you're still waiting on your unemployment refund. And as I mentioned, you guys, it just pretty much tells you you're going to want to check your transcripts and that hopefully it should be arriving this month. But if it does not, they've also got another number here. Take a look at this, 1-800-829-1040. That's the best number they say to call. It might be hard to get through to the IRS. I think they said about 1 in 50 calls actually make it through because they're so slammed right now. But it's worth a shot. And if you can get through, maybe you can get somebody to help you out, you guys. So that is what you're going to want to do. So you guys, that is the latest on the unemployment tax refunds. We're hearing that these are going to be wrapping up this month. The new wave could be starting today, Wednesday, September the 1st, 2021. If you're still waiting, check your transcripts and let me know in the comments down below. I hope that you get that right away, you guys. But with that being said, hope this reaches you well. I'll be sure to catch you in the next video. If you made it this far and you haven't already, don't forget, smash that like button. If you appreciate these updates, leave your comments down below and share this out if you think it's going to help out other people. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to come join the Ram fam and stay up to date. And you guys, remember, regular uploads Monday through Friday, 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and also random uploads throughout the day as news breaks, you guys. But again, Hope this reaches you well. I'll catch you in the next video. Take care. God bless. This is Steve.